In this guide, we are going over all of the working codes in 2026 for Lock 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you're going to want to use these quick before they do end up expiring, but select the three dots and then hit the three lines. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You need to hit store and then go to codes up at the top, and this is where you type in all of these codes. Now, there's a few to go over. Let's go ahead and start with this one right here. You're going to want to type all of them exactly as I'm showing them here in this video. You have M1, M2, bug. Go ahead and hit redeem and you'll get some yen. Up next, we have mobile fixes spelled exactly like that. Hit redeem and you'll get some yen. This is our next code right here. Once again, make sure you are typing these exactly as shown. Hit redeem, and once again, you'll get some yen. Our next one is for 5K likes. Go ahead and type in this code next. Hit redeem. I'd actually already redeemed this one, so it's not working for me. Just keep that in mind. In fact, I believe I've viewed the rest of these, so just keep that in mind. But the next one is going to be 1 mil visits. Go ahead and hit redeem. Oh, I was wrong about that one. Up next, we have thank you for 10K likes. Go ahead and hit redeem. Up next, we have thank you for 15K likes. Go ahead and hit redeem. Up next, we have our 10K faves code. Go ahead and hit redeem. Then we also have 15K faves. Go ahead and once again hit redeem. Go ahead and hit bug fix 01 next. This is our next code. Hit redeem. And then finally, this is the most obvious one, release. It's the official release day at the time of making this video. Go ahead and hit redeem. That is all of the working codes as of 2026 in Lock 2 on Roblox. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.